Welcome to Hidden Tech. Setting number 1. Open up your Chrome browser. As you can see, these tabs are opening automatically. To enable this setting, click at the 3 dots displayed at the right corner. Now, click on the setting option. Click on the On Startup option. I have added 2 tabs over here. Click on Add New Page and add your favorite website here. Now I am adding here Google page. Now, let's see how it works. Now our third tab is Google. Setting number 2. Here I will show you second setting. Look at these tabs. These are shortcuts to get quick access to website. Just put the name and URL of your web. Now press Done. Here is your website's shortcut is added. Setting number 3. Third setting is about an incognito window. Incognito tab is used to hide your IP address. These are some facilities provided by this tab. Setting number 4. This setting is about the performance of your Chrome browser. For this, select Performance option from More Tools. Here is a memory save option. If you have 8 GB or below RAM, turn this on. Select this on Balance, Recommended. Add here your important site which you want to keep in RAM anyhow. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like this video and subscribe Hidden Tech.